Today we're diving into the incredible features of the Kalorik MAXX digital air fryer oven, a 10-in-1 countertop powerhouse that combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, and more into one sleek appliance. With its innovative Turbo MAXX technology, this oven cooks meals faster than ever, reducing cooking time for French fries by 22%, steak by 37%, and chicken by 27%, all while saving over 77% in energy compared to traditional ovens. The intuitive digital interface offers 21 smart presets, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of dishes with just the touch of a button, ensuring perfect results every time. Designed with families in mind, the MAXX boasts an impressive 26-quart capacity, accommodating a 14-pound turkey, a 12-inch pizza, or up to 9 slices of toast, making it ideal for preparing large, family-sized meals. Included are 9 versatile accessories, such as an air-frying basket, baking tray, and rotisserie spit, plus a bonus cookbook filled with easy-to-follow, chef-inspired recipes to elevate your cooking game. Whether you're air-frying, baking, roasting, or dehydrating, the Kalorik MAXX is the ultimate kitchen companion, ready to replace multiple appliances and simplify your cooking experience. So, if you're looking to maximize your kitchen's potential while saving time and energy, this all-in-one appliance is the perfect addition to your culinary arsenal.